These are the portfolio results from yesterday's trade, September the 21st. I want to go over the current drawdowns because they're at good entry points. Then we're going to go over the initial trades, having a bounce back day, especially in the SR counter trends on some of these. So I'm going to go over the drawdown curve for each of these. And we're going to go in the capstone tab to look at the performance. So if you look at this micro stock index and micro gold, it's about $1,400 away from a max drawdown. Good place to start trading it or add contracts if you're already trading it and have the capital to do so. If you're trading these on the minis and full size gold instead of the micros, it's in a 23,000, almost a 24,000 drawdown out of almost a $38,000 drawdown. So $14,000 away from a max drawdown. Another good place to add contracts or start trading it if you're not there already. Well, let's look at the other portfolios, all 77. The all 77 is in a 16 out of 33 drawdown, so about halfway into a worst case drawdown. The stock index portfolio 19 is in a 19 out of 24 or 23K drawdown, so close to a max drawdown there. Cobra 3 has really struggled. The stock index 36 is in a 26 out of about 40K drawdown. The 200K is about 10K away from a worst case drawdown. You see that there, the current drawdown. And I currently have the margin set to NinjaTrader margins. These are not TradeStation margins. And so TradeStation margins are higher. And you can change that in this tab right here. I'm going to show you where you can change that. You can copy this column and paste it right there. Or if you want TradeStation margins, you can copy this column all the way down and paste it right there. And this will update the account size required, the margin requirement. So 25K, 50K portfolio has been very strong, not much of a drawdown, but yesterday it had one, 22.55, and it's bounced back today already with the SR counter trends performing really well. And then we have we already went over the micro. The 100K portfolio is in a 73.90 out of 20K drawdown. The liquid day trade portfolio is in a 9,000 out of about a $25,000 drawdown, and the SR counter trend 234 is in 14 out of 28, 29K drawdown, roughly rounding those numbers. Let's look at the trades on the day. Bounce back day somewhat in a lot of the portfolios. So strong start with the SR counter trends. SR counter trend 2 E-mini S&P plus 775. We had night trader plus 675 last night. It had that loss last night, bouncing back. It had 7 winners in a row, then a losing trade, and now another winner. And we have adaptive moving average long on the day, minus 150 on adaptive moving average. 60-minute breakout plus 812.50. It was long yesterday from 32.70.50. The market it closed at 32.73.75, so it was up a little bit at the close, and then it hit its profit target near the high, not far from the high on the day. So plus 812.50. Stock index swing plus 475 and plus 575 on SR counter trend 2 V2 1M, plus 575 on SR counter trend 2 V2 5M, and on 15-minute it has an open position currently. These two offset each other, so if you're long adaptive moving average, you're short this, and you're flat, and if this hits its profit target first, then you'll be long again at a lower price for adaptive moving average. So those are the trades in the All Strategy Axis 1, which represents the stock index portfolio 19. So it's having a strong bounce back day so far. Let's look at All Strategy Axis 2. AT 2020 NQ minus 725, 60-minute breakout NQ plus 640. Let's see, no other trades in this workspace. So just 2 trades in All Strategy Axis 2, All Strategy Axis 3. A lot of SR counter trends in the metals today, and natural gas as well. Cobra Euro 4 open position minus 337.50. SR counter trend gold. So gold is plus 475. SR counter trend 2 silver plus 475. Asia gold 4 minus 525, And then soybean swing got chopped up a little bit here. We were short. Market looked weak, like it could really test $10. A good pullback, but it was strong. Bounced back overnight, got long, and then it sold off again. So we gave back short profits and then reversed to long and were stopped out. So minus 875 in soybean swing on the day. All strategy access 4. We have SR counter trend 3 plus 475. A and B both made 475 on that. And we have SR counter trend 3 natural gas plus 475. Cobra Gold long, its open position minus 200. All strategy access 5. Winners across the board on these two. SR counter trend 2 V2 1M gold plus 575 plus 575. And then lost on silver, minus 725, minus 725, minus 725. And then won in natural gas. Again, 2 days in a row in natural gas. Shorting natural gas on SR counter trend 2 V2 M and on SR counter trend 3. So plus 575, plus 575, and open position of plus 290. All strategy access 6. No trade so far. And gap continuation, no trade so far on those. And those are the trades intraday. Bounce back from where we are. I wanted to show you where the portfolio results were and where the trades were intraday, and how it's bouncing back today can be a good entry point into the portfolio when they're in a drawdown and it starts to turn, or just getting in on a drawdown. And so Powell and Mnuchin are about to testify before Capitol Hill. So it should be interesting to watch that, watch this the rest of the day, and see how the market responds to the testimony on Capitol Hill.